In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to streamline your invoicing process in QuickBooks. So whether you're new to this or just looking for some pointers on how to make the most of QuickBooks, stick around because we're going to break it down simply and clearly. First things first, you'll want to open a web browser on your computer or device and head over to the QuickBooks website. If you haven't already done so, make sure you log into your account. You might want to bookmark this page for ease of future access, especially if you frequently work with invoices. Logging in will bring you to the main dashboard where you'll find various options laid out for managing your financials. Once you're on the QuickBooks dashboard, focus your attention on the top section of your screen where you'll see a menu bar. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the Create menu. It's designed to streamline your workflow by letting you initiate various processes right from this central point. Click on Create and then select Invoice from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new window where you can start crafting your invoice. Now you'll be presented with an invoice template ready to be customized. Start by filling in the necessary details about your customer. This usually includes the customer's name, address, and relevant contact information. These are essential for not only ensuring the invoice reaches the right person, but also for maintaining detailed records that could come in handy for future referencing or reporting. After you've entered your customer's information, it's time to detail the product or service provided. You'll find fields for each item. This is where you can specify the quantity, description, rate, and any applicable taxes or discounts for the products or services you are billing. This level of detail is crucial as it helps in avoiding any confusion later on, both for you and your customer. Remember, clear and concise billing details are the cornerstone of good financial communication. Once you've filled in all the requisite information and double-checked for accuracy, because nobody wants to send an incorrect invoice, it's time for a quick review. Look over your entries to ensure everything looks good. You don't want to overlook any taxes or discounts that might be applicable. Verify the totals are correctly calculated, and then, with everything ready, click on the Review and Send option. This is where you get a final look at the invoice before it's sent out. There you have it, you're done. After reviewing, the invoice will be sent to your customer for payment. QuickBooks makes managing invoices a straightforward process that can save you a significant amount of time and hassle once you get the hang of it. So by following these steps, you ensure that your invoicing is not only efficient, but also professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for every time you need to send an invoice using QuickBooks. Keep practicing, and it will soon become second nature.